We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and we're looking at a 2020 Kawasaki Vulcan S Cafe. The Cafes have the limited edition paint job, black and teal. This bike has ABS. It's an extremely clean motorcycle. One of our employees actually traded it in, so we know it's very well taken care of. The running lights and turn signals are extremely tiny, but extremely bright. And mileage is at 8,024, nice and low. She starts right up and sounds a lot better than most cafes. Again, we're at Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California. We do test rides 6 days a week. Come take her for a ride.